1.5. Okay, kita buat ni dulu kita akan buat box ni. I will do the box first. Itu satu shoot, lepas tu back akan lagi satu shoot, dan front akan lagi satu shoot. Okay, now lepas tu 2 to 3, 2 ke 3 bersamaan, half bus. Okay, sekarang bus you tengok, kalau bus 88, half will be 44. So campur 5 cm, so 49 cm. 2 ke 3. Now 3 ke 4 bersamaan dengan 0 ke 2. That mean 0 ke 2 nanti, 0 ke 2 ni, 0 ke 2 ni dia punya ukuran sama. Okay, 3 ke 4 bersamaan 0 ke 2. Okay, now this is the box. The box first. Then after that kita akan buat sini, kita akan buat back. Okay, saya akan buat box dulu. Now,
cakap hi balik.
hi, good morning. Okay, good morning lah. Now it's 10 near to 11 AM. So today activity we doing a basic bodies. Okay, this is template. Okay, now later I will give you the template. How you post inside the group. Your friend will be snap and then post to the WhatsApp group. Okay, now the first thing, if you have your paper, give here this side 1 inch. Just give 1 inch from this side. Inch, then the top side also 1 inch. Okay, we got the box. Okay, so automatic, this one will be, this point will be 0. This one is 0. Now I will start to do the box first. 0 to 1, you have to go down 1.5 cm. 0 to 1, 1.5 cm. Okay, 0 to 1, 1.5 cm. Then make sure it's 1.5, yeah. Then 1 to 2 is here. 1 to 2 you have to go 1 to 2. How to get? Arm seam depth measurement plus 0.5. Your arm seam depth is 21, then plus 0.5. So the answer is 21.5 cm. From number 1, yeah, make sure it's from number 1. 21.5. This is number 2. Okay, now 2 to 3. Okay, this is number 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is half bus plus 5 cm. Your bus now here is 88 cm, divide 2 plus 5 cm. So we got answer 49 cm. So if you cannot go from here, you can straight do from here first, 49 cm. So your measurement tape, go from here, 49 cm. Make sure it's 49. 49. No, 49 is on the top. Yeah, that one. Thank you. Then from here also 49. Okay. So you got the 49 point, cm point. Just do one straight line here. Make sure it's straight line. Like that. Okay, so from here, how to get this measurement equal? So just measure from here, from 0 to 2, you get 23 cm. So here also 23 cm. You got the point. With your eye ruler. Okay, you already got number 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means you got already this box. Now, okay, 3 to 4, we got already the measurement. Now, I go to 1 to 5. 1 to 5, here, need to waist measurement. That means 1 to 5, need to waist is, you here, 41 cm. Okay. So, make sure from number 1, yeah, because student will be do from number 0. That will be wrong. Make sure is the information is from number 1. Number 1, from number 1. So, you find 41 cm. Okay, you got here 41 cm. This one also have to go 41 cm. Okay, you already. This is make sure is correct, yeah. I think here is wrong. My measurement is wrong a bit. Suppose it's 41. This one is correct. So here I go down 1.5 first. 1.5. Then I go 41. Yep. Eraser. Can I have eraser? Eraser, right? Now, 5, I mean 5 to 7 now, you have to get 5 to 7 is waist to hip measurement. Then from here, waist to hip is 20.6. I mean 5 to 7, you get 20.6 cm. Okay, from here, 20.6. This is your 20, 20.5, 20.6 is here. Okay, so it goes here, 20.6. is here. So when you get that one, you already is get the box already. 1, 0, 1, 2, 6. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the box, the outside box first. We got the outside box. Now, cut. 9 will be 1/5 neck size. Okay, I need your calculator. Okay, your neck size is 37. Okay, 37 37 bahagi 5. 1/5 bahagi 5 tolak 0.2. Okay, you akan dapat 7.2 cm. Okay, that means 0 to 9 nanti kat sini. Okay, tak apa, kita buat dia dulu. Kita will do the calculation first. Then 1 to 10 will give 1/5 arm seam depth. Okay, arm seam depth. Now you write there arm seam depth 21. Divide 5 minus 0.7. Okay, you got 3.5 cm. That's good. Now 9 to 11 we will get shoulder length measurement. That means your shoulder length is 12.25 plus 1 cm. So you got here 13.25 cm. Okay, it will be plus 1 cm. Make sure. Then number 12 will be your center shoulder. Center. Okay, CTR will be center. Now 12 to 13 we go draw a dot line. Okay, this will be you do 5 cm dotted line. Okay. Okay. Then will be sloping, sloping inward.
Apa tu sloping?
1 cm. Dia akan masuk ke dalam.
Oh, okay.
Dia akan masuk ke dalam 1 cm. Nanti you akan see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 2 14 will be half back width measurement. Okay, half back width. Your back width is 34.4 divide 2 plus 0.5. Okay, 17.7 cm. Okay, now number 14 to 16. So I go here. 14 to 16 will be, okay, half the measurement for half. Half, yeah, half measurement. So 17 will be midway. Pertengahan. Okay, done. So your back measurement 0 to 9. That means 0 from here to 9, you have to go 7.2 cm. That means here 7.2, 1, 2, 7.2. This will be your number 9. Okay, then you do take your straight ruler just a bit from here, like around 1 cm. Just go like that. Then take your curve ruler from here, touch back the straight line now. Go like that. This line is your back collar. It's your back collar. Alright?
Okay.
Now 1 to 9 done. Now 1 to 10. 1 to 10 you go 3.5 cm. Why I got that one? 1/5 arm seam depth. That means your arm seam depth divide 5 minus 0.7. So you got the result 3.5 cm. So from here 3.5 cm. It will be your number 10. Okay? Right. Then you got the line here. You have to do one straight line here. Okay, how to get it straight line? Just mix from number 0 to 10. You got 5 cm. Just do here dot 5 cm. Just a guideline. Just do one straight line. Don't worry. Just do one straight line like this. The length is okay. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Now I go for 9 to 11. 9 to 11 is shoulder length measurement plus 1 cm. So your shoulder length here is 12.25 plus 1 cm. You got 13.25. Okay, from 13.25, from number 9, you have to measure 13.25, touch the line number 10 just now. Measure 13.25. Okay. Okay, this is your 13. This is number 1. Number 2, 25 is here. 13.25. So do one straight line here. Touch line number 10.
Okay.
Okay. Got like that. Okay, got that one. Okay. Number 12. This is number 11. To get number 12 is just now 13.25 divide 2. Or another way. This is the simple way. 13.25. Just divide your measurement tape like this. That is your number 12. Alright. When you got your number 12, okay, 12 to 13. That means your 12 to 13. That means this is number 12. Do one straight line, 5 cm. One straight line from number 12. Just do one straight line like that. Okay. Then you measure it 5 cm. Just measure 5 cm here. Okay. Now, this is important. You have to do here 5 cm long, sloping inward 1 cm. That means from this line, you have to go inward. That means inward is here 1 cm. Go here inside. Make sure go inside 1 cm. This will be your number 13. Okay, this is your number 13. When you got your number 13, okay, 1 cm done. Then construct 1 cm dot. The meaning of 1 cm, you have to do half cm, half cm. That means 1 cm here, half cm from this point, another half cm here. So half cm plus half cm got 1 cm. Go like that. This is your shoulder dart. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When you done that one. Okay, 214. 214 is 2. That means number 2 to 14. 2 to 14 is here. Okay, number 2 to 14 you got 17.7 cm. Why I got to half back measurement plus 0.5. So it will result 17.7 cm. So from here 17.7 cm. 17.567 cm. 17.7. Okay, you got that. So here also you do 17.7 also. Okay, we got that line. Do one straight line here. Got that. Okay. Here is like a dot line, but it's okay. Okay. Now, from here you got number 14, alright? Okay. Now from number 14 to 14, you have to divide 2. Okay. 17.7 divide 2.
8.85.
Okay, 8.85. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Okay. Eight point 85. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Same goes this one. This one. Do one second. Okay, now. This one. Okay, from here, just now, from the number 14. Okay, you do one straight line to touch line number 10 just now. Just do one straight line. Go like that. So when it touch this line, this number 15. Okay, how to get 16? Divide 2. Just use your measurement tape. 18. 18 divide 2 will be 9. Number 16.
Sorry.
You got this 16. Okay, just now I divide this side. This automatic number 17, 18, 19. Okay. Now. Okay. That's all.
Tu je.
That's all for the back.
This is all for the back.
Now, I do for the front part. Okay. Now, front part, we will start from 4 to 20. That means number 4 is from here. 4 to 20 is 1/5 neck size minus 0.7. So, your neck size will be 37. Divide 5 minus 0.7. Then you can get 6.7 cm. So, from here, 6.7. Okay. 6.7. Oh, there. 6.567. 6.7. Got that one. Will be number 20. So 4 to 21, same measurement just now. 1/5 neck size minus 0.2, you get 7.2 cm. 7.2 cm. So from here 7.2. 1, 2. Okay. You got this is number 21. If you got already, do 1 cm line bit, just 1 cm bit, just like that. So we do your neckline. This is your front neckline. You create your front neckline. Okay, this is your front neckline. So you got your front neckline. Now 3 to 22, that means 3, this is number 3 to number 22. Okay, half the chest measurement plus half width of that. Okay, half width of that depend your dart size. If you're 7 cm, you have to divide 2. You got 3.5 cm. Okay, so 3 number 22, you got 19.7 cm. 19.7. Okay, 19.7 here. So there will be number 22. Okay, okay, now. Okay, 26. Okay, 26 is midway. Okay, now, just now, 3 point. Okay.
Saya nak kira tak?
Okay. 19.7 divide 2.
9.85.
You got 9.85. 9.855, 6, 7, 8, 5. You got that. Same thing. So here also you have to find 9.85. Okay, you got the point. Once you got the point, do one straight line. From here to here. Do one straight line. Okay, now this is number 23. Okay, this point is number 23. Now we're going to go 20 to 27. This is number 20 to 27 is your dart length. So 7 cm. From here 7 cm. Okay, this is your number 27. Okay, now 23, this is number 24, 25, okay. 26, how to get the number 26? 26, you have to go down 2.5 cm. Remember, still remember that we do the dart. The dart manipulation, the round thing that I asked you to do. Okay, this is the normal body. So, we have to go 2.5 cm. Okay, go down. At least here. You see here, right here, blah blah. Okay, the bust point. Okay, you have to go 2.5 cm. From here, this line, sorry, number 23, go to 2.5 cm. Okay, 2.5. Okay, this is the point. Okay, this number 25 and 26 is your apex point, nipple point. Right from here later, you have to do the 2 inch or 2.5 inch. That will be your bust.
With
No,
the
Yeah,
thingy
yeah,
tu
yeah.
yang pusing-pusing tu.
Okay, now.
Okay, jangan kelukis.
Okay, now you have to do attach number 20 to 26. This will be your dart.
Saya tekan sini.
Okay. Okay. This is your dart. So once you got your dart, okay. Now, okay, now nanti draw with measurement dart. Okay, done already. Okay, 11 to 28. So your number 11. This is you be going back to your back part. Okay, 11. This is your number 11. So you going down 1.5 cm from 11. Just do one straight line here. Go down 1.5 cm. 1.5. This is number 28. Okay. You got the 28. Okay, you do one straight line from here. Just do one straight line. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Just do the last straight line. Okay, now. We good that one. Okay. This one 28 to 29. Okay. The measurement is touch the line, shoulder length measurement. Okay, shoulder length. So shoulder length, you have to go 12.25. Yeah. Okay, wait. Shoulder length 27 to 30. That means 27 to 30. You have to go 12.25 cm. That means from here 12.25. Okay, make sure this is number 12. 125. 25 is here, the middle here. Put here, touch this line.
12.5
12.25.
or 12.25.
Okay, 27. This is number 30. Okay. Okay. Now 28 to 29. Just take 10 cm. Just do one 10 cm line. Go there. This is number 29. 10 cm only. Okay. Go like that. So we've done this one. Now I go here. Your line, shoulder line. Okay, 22, 31. 22. Okay, 31. Okay. Okay. This is important. From this line, number line 22, just do one straight line like this. Just one straight line. Okay. Okay, just do one straight line like that. It's okay. The measurement is okay. Don't worry. Okay. Now, how to get this one? Okay, this one, yeah, 22. The same measurement from 3 221. You have to measure from here. Measure from here. You got 15.85. Just now 15.85 divide 3. 15.85 divide 3. 15, 15, 1 5.
15 and
Yeah, 15. 15, 15. One side here 5.3. Okay, this will be number 34. Okay, why I got jump here? Easy for you.
Kita berapa sih?
Genapkan 5.3.
Oh.
Okay, 5.3. Okay, you got the number 34. So from here, now to get number 32, 33, 34. So from here you just measure from here. 11.5 divide 2. 11.5 from here to here divide 2. So you got 5.75. 5.75. Okay. Okay, because this is number 32, 33, 34. Okay, got this line. Okay, got the line already. Okay, so from here, using your L ruler, make sure 45 degrees. How to get 45 degrees is from this point to touch this point. Okay, just draw like that, one straight line there, 45 degrees. So from here, from number 22, 45 degrees, make sure 45. Mark, just point here. Then it goes here. Number 14. Mark this point. Just do like that. Then do one straight line here. Touch number 14. Touch number 22. Okay. Now from here, the measurement they give here. If you see here for number 14, 2.5 cm. Okay. Number 22 will be 2 cm. So this side, number 22 will be 2 cm. Touch this point. This side is 2.5 cm. 1, 2, 5, 2.5. Touch that point. Okay. Now I want to do the armhole. So just from here, at least 1 cm. Make it dark a bit. Okay. So take your French curve. Here you curve it nicely, yeah. Each point. And from number 16 we will touch number 11. On the side we will touch number 30. Voila. This is your front body, this is your back side, this is your front side. Voila, done already.
Done. Back, front.
Yeah. Okay, this is your sleeve pattern. So your sleeve must be on top of this bodice block. Okay, firstly you have to measure the sleeve, the armhole first. Okay, how to measure the armhole? Take your measurement tape, must be straight. You put your measurement straight like this, yeah. How to measure? Okay, do not measure like this, it's wrong. Right, must be straight. Just follow the line.
Tengok kali kuning ni.
Huh?
Kali yang depan ni.
Tak kisah. You can follow front or back, but I use CM lah nanti.
Oh.
Okay. Don't focus the number first. Just follow the line. Okay. Follow the line. Just follow the line. Slowly. Okay, I got 42.3 cm. Okay, 42.3 cm. So I write here 42.3 cm overall. Okay, this is my measurement. 42.3 cm. Okay, now the first thing I will do is 1 to 2. That means 1. So if you have color pencil, it's much better. Do you have color pencil?
Tak ada rasa.
Okay, pause the first number. This number 22 will be number 1. Put number 1 here. Okay, then do one straight line. Just do one straight line. Mana pensel awak?
Tak tahu rasa. Pelik saya. B, nak pensel boleh?
Number 1 ni, just do one straight line macam ni. Just do one straight line. Okay. Measurement don't worry. Later we do the measurement. So this is number 1. Okay, now 1 to 2 is 1/3 arm seam depth measurement. Okay, 1/3 arm seam measurement. Arm seam, sekarang ni, I need your calculator. 42.3 divide 3.
Sabar. 42.
0.3
Lepas tu
bahagi 3.
bagi 3.
Lepas tu tolak 0.5.
Tolak 0.5. 13.6.
Okay, now the measurement here, hold dulu 13. How to get 1 to 2? You have to measure the armhole, then divide 3, then minus 0.5 cm. So for her one, I got 13.6. So from here, 13.6. You have to measure from here. 13.6. This is number 2. Okay, 13.6 divide 2. Just now, divide 2. Divide 2.
6.8.
6.8. So you got 6.8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, this is number 3. So, number 3, 6.8 divide 2 lagi.
3.4.
Okay, 3.4. 3.4 is here. Okay, this is number 5. Okay. Pull here. Just now you got number 5 here. This is 5A. Okay, this one dot 5A, this number 5. Okay, this number 3, this number 2. So now, I do a measurement here from here, 1 to 2 just now. The same measurement here, 13.7, 13.7. Put here. From number 2, just do one straight line. Make sure one straight line. Go like that. So you got this one just now. From number 3 also, do one straight line. You got 6.8. Okay, 6.8. One straight line. From number 3. So like that. You got here number 2 one straight line, number 3 also one straight line. Okay, now we want to get number 4. Number 4 is here. Okay, sorry. 1, you got number 1, number 2, number 3. So number 4 is here. This is number 4. Touch this point is number 4. Okay, number 4. So number 5 will be here. 5H is here. Okay. So number 6 will be here. This is your number 6. This is your number 6. This point. This one will be number 8. Okay. Now I want to get number 7. Number 7. So for to get number 7 is number 5. It's from here. Number 5 to 7 must be touch this number line. Okay. The measurement of curve 5A to 6. That means 5A, we have to measure from here to here. 5A to 6 plus 1 cm. So from here, measure 5A to 6. Okay, you got 14.3. This measurement I got 14.3 plus 1 cm, so you got 15.3. Now measure from number 5, yeah. Number 5 is outside. Number 5, so 15.3, because you add already 1 cm. 15.3. So 15.3 is from here, from number 5. 15.3 is here. That's your number 7. So make sure from number 5, yeah, the line touch the dot line just now. Okay, that will be your number 7. Okay, so number 8 is here. So 7. Now we're going to 7 to 9. So 7 to 9, the measurement of curve 4 to 8. That means measurement 4 to 8 plus 1 cm. Okay, you got 11.5. 11.5 plus 1, you got here 11.5 plus 1 cm. So you got 12.5. So from number 7, 12.5. Make sure 12.5 is here. Okay, this is number 9. Okay, we got number 9. So now 10 is the underarm. So 10 will be here. Here, this is your number 10. Be here. This is your number 10. This is your number 10. Okay, 5 to 11 is later. 5 to 11 we touch this line. So 5 to 11, you got the measurement 5A to 10. That means 5A to 10. Then you have to minus 0.3. 5A to 10. Okay, you got 6.8. 6.7, sorry, 6.7. 6.7 minus 0.3, so you got 6.4. Okay, 6.4. So from here, from number 5, you go 6.4. 6.4 is here. Number 11. Touch number 5. Okay, got that one. Okay, now. Okay, 9 to 12. So you go here, the measurement curve 4, that means curve 4 to 10, less 0.3. Curve 4 to 10. Okay, you got 9.9. 9.9. 9.9 minus 0.3, so 9.6. So from here, 9.6 is here. Okay. Got the one. Got the shape already. So now 9, that means 9 to 12 already. You got here. Here, 9 to 12, this is number 12. 9 to 12. So 7 to 13, that means 7 to 13. This one, this measurement 7 to 13 is your sleeve length. So 58.5 cm. You do one straight line. If you're scared to do one straight line, you just measure from here first. Okay, you got 18 cm. So make sure it's straight line. You got 18 cm. So here also you got, try to get 18 cm. Got the point. So do one straight line. From number 7, one straight line. The sleeve length 58.5 cm. Okay. 58.5 cm. From here, you take 58.5 cm. 58.5 is here. Okay, got the one. You want the line here. That. Got the one. So from here also you measure this one from here. 3.2 near like that. Here also 3.2. Okay. From here also you have to measure. Okay, here 37.5. So eraser. Okay, this is the unused line. Okay, now from this part, we have later we want to do the shape. Okay, you measure from here from number 5 to 11, divide 2, 5 to 11, divide 2. Just mark the point. From here, the point you go 1 cm down. To 1 cm here. Okay. So this measurement from number 7 to number 5, you got 15 point. Sorry, just now 15.25. Okay, 15.25 divide 3. You have to divide 3. 15.25 divide 3.
5.
Okay, you got 5. 5 no, just 5.
Kan saya kata genap kan?
5.08 jauh lagi. Dia kalau sini lain lah. Okay, 5 ni 5 tak apa. Okay. Now, from here 7 to 9. Just do like this. Divide 2 also. Got the point. Okay. You go up 1 cm. Go from here. Divide 2. Go here 0.75. Go down. 0.75. 5, 6, 7, 5. Point there. Only here. This side. You have to go up 2 cm from here. This point. 2 cm. Okay. Make sure here. Only this line only divide 3. This one divide 2, divide 2, divide 2. Only this line 7 to 5 divide 3. Right? So. Okay. This one do 1 cm. Sorry, 0.7. This one 1 cm. This one 2 cm. This one 1 cm. So just keep like this. Just give like around half cm here. Do one straight line here. Right. Okay, now with your French curve, you can do the curving part now. done with the shape. So your armhole shape will be like that. This is the armhole. So this side, this is your half of here. This is your back. This is your front. So this side, okay. It's up to you if you want to do shape. Okay. Just from here to here, just divide 2. Here also same. So here go up 1 cm. This one go down 1 cm. Okay. This one is up to you. If you want to do this shape, it's okay. If you don't want, it's okay. Still okay. Voila. You done your sleeve size 12. Okay? Done.